Hello guys and welcome back to my cool YouTube channel. For those who don't know me, my name is Michael Trader and I'm a professional trader in the field of forex and binary options. So today, as always, my dear friends, I would like to tell you how to make millions on this market, and if you want to know how to do this, let's watch this video. You see, chef, as you can see, price is now breaking through, has already broken through, to be honest. Middle line of the counter channel. We have proven that price is ready to go further higher. We have gathered the stop losses of the sellers, and the next destination for us is the upper edge of this channel. So that's why I have opened buy position, investing our whole amount of money on the deposit. This is $100. $100 I invested. Let's check, guys. Let's check. Yeah, it was risky, but still, we did it. We received money. We have $192 on the account. Let's continue, guys. Here we have broken through the middle line of the cutter channel. Now we are growing, trying to touch the upper edge of it. So it's closed. We have profit on the account. We have around 368 bucks. Let's continue, my dear friends. A very nice amount of money on my bank account. Anyway, while I was talking, I have already opened sell position. This was made at the currency pair CAD CHF. As you can see, price was trying to grow, but we faced a really strong resistance line zone. And according to the master balance strategy, when we were trying to break through it like multiple times, we all failed. Now we have opened sell position, and just look at this big, huge red candle, which is showing that I'm absolutely right. And yep, one more trade is close with profit, and we have 700 bucks on the account. By the way, guys, while you're watching this video, please open the description page and subscribe to my private TG, where you'll get access to the best trading signals, analytics, and educational materials that will help you to become a professional, experienced trader. And moreover, if you write me a private message and tell me, Michael, I want to become VIP, I will automatically add you to my private TG, where you will get access to the same kind of online trading sessions, and you will be able to start trading and earning together with me online each day. So don't waste your time. Do this right now and bear with me. Link in the description. Well, now BHDC and I, strong downgoing channel, which I decided to change. I decided to open buy position. I did it because the price is oversold as much as possible, and to let it go down anymore will bring us huge risk. So that's why I decided to try to open buy position. I'm sure I was right in this, absolutely. Let me wait a little bit and we will see who was right. Done, my friends, done. We have $1,344 from the account, and this looks amazing. But I want to get more. So that's why let's continue. And instead of upgoing channel, now we have the beginning of the declining channel. And now price is going to break through the bottom line of the counter channel. And if we succeed to do this, then we will gather all stop losses of the buyers, and we will use this fuel, the stop losses, like a fuel for the continuation of the current drop. This is also closed with profit. Let's continue. Let me open another currency pair. Let's proceed with our GPI. Here price is going to break through the middle line. Let me help it. Let me invest my all deposit in this beautiful trade and push the price to break through the middle line of it. I'm sure it will be done. I'm completely sure. Just let price remain here. Done. Today's amazing day. So we did 4,800 bucks. We started with just 100 bucks and we made 48 times more just within 7 minutes. If you want to be one of these lucky guys or girls who is making the same amount of money each day, write me a message right now and get access to my WAP channel, link for which you will get in the description to this video. Wait for you all. See you all. Bye bye.